The liver is a vital organ. Blood flows through the hepatic artery and portal vein. Hepatocytes detoxify and produce bile. It also stores essential nutrients for the body.
Activated stellate cells produce collagen fibers. Fibrous bands spread, replacing healthy tissue. Vital blood vessels begin to narrow.
Advanced cirrhosis causes the liver to shrink and harden. Dense scar tissue compresses vessels, driving portal hypertension. Blood flow becomes slow and turbulent.
Scar tissue blocks blood flow through the liver. Blood backs up, enlarging veins in the esophagus and stomach. The spleen also enlarges due to this pressure. This animation depicts portal hypertension. Ascites is the abnormal buildup of fluid. It collects within the peritoneal cavity. This occurs from increased pressure or low albumin. This causes painful abdominal distension.
When the liver is cirrhotic, it can no longer remove harmful toxins. Ammonia accumulates and travels to the brain. This leads to severe cognitive dysfunction.
Here is a direct comparison. The healthy liver is smooth and flexible. Cirrhosis causes scarring and restricts blood flow.